I did run down and grab some flashing just out of the truck. We're just gonna go do this real quick right now. So if you click the link up above to watch the video, the card up there, I hope this video kind of shows you a little what I'm gonna do. And actually I forgot my flat bar, but the good thing is with the Tamco, you probably just pop these loose, like I said earlier in the other video. All right, we're gonna start by slicing this. So let's use either a hook blade or a straight blade, whichever you need. Now right down here, if you can, be careful, you don't want to cut yourself. That's actually, I feel like it's gonna snap or something. We're gonna switch tactic up and go to a sharp, brand new straight blade. We're just gonna cut this corner a little bit here. Collateral damage. A little damage for a better cause. Sacrificing a piece of fascia metal for avoiding a leak inside. There we go. Just slice it a little bit. Don't know if there's gonna be nails. Yeah, there's gonna be a damn nail. Well, we're going over that one, so that'll be okay. All right, get your piece of flashing. The final location, I'm gonna do what I would just say kind of a dry fit. Take a straight blade. I don't have snips on me. Another down the truck. At that highest point up, basically the line of that shingle right there, just cut this off right here. And then cut that right there. Once you score it, just cut it off. So you can shove this up and it will go to the highest point right there. This should just shove under if there's no nails under there. If there's a nail, you're gonna have to pop it free. I hope to hell nobody put a nail there because it's a bad location for one. All right, so take your piece you just cut, your custom flashing. We only sliced that so far, so we're actually going to need to cut one more thing here. This height, so we can get it in there no problem. There we go. So you still got a trough. You can cut that further, keep that bigger, not necessary. Now again, behind the fascia metal, but in front of and on top of that other piece of flashing. Lift the shingle, shove this up. You may catch some things, just do your best. Now you can see the base of the shingle going up, and we're gonna catch paper and stuff. So here's another little top secret trick. Get this bent flat. I'm gonna use that as a little guide or a wedge. I can get this up higher than that and under there. Pull that back out, get it on top of this. What that's going to do is going to ride across that metal and get over that torn piece of paper. That's what we're catching. It should just work its way all the way up. So their aluminum valley they put in the middle there is pinching it really tight. What are we catching? Just a wadded up piece of paper. Catching some. You don't necessarily need this part up there. What you want is to get this point here, where that flashing is, up to that high. Let's just get rid of that. It almost feels like it's catching a piece of 1x decking board or something coming down. So what I'm trying to do is actually rotate the metal top towards me so it doesn't catch. That's just a tight mess up in there. There, got another idea. We're going to switch to a hook blade. We're going to try to hook that top piece of metal flashing I'm putting in. Don't cut yourself and just try to pull it. There it went. it just slid up. So you can see the flashing now. It's covering that hole that was there. I'm not putting a nail in that spot. So you got two options. You can caulk it, or if you have a trim nail of some sort, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a trim nail in it. So I believe I have a couple. Nope, I took them out. Well, we're gonna improvise. Take a cap nail. We're gonna get it right into here. Trim this little part back so it's not so noticeable. That can come out now. And what we're going to try to do is get this. I don't think I'm going to get under that valley metal because it's kinked in a downward position. So we're trying to divert the majority of the water. We'll use that as a guide. Get these flashing pieces. You have to just try to work it across the valley where you can shove it up in there. And it's starting to go. Let's jump the valley now. What I'm trying to do is get it up in there a little ways. So the majority of the water on top of the shingles coming down, I'm going to make a little diverter here, a kick out. And just kind of clean it up, make it a little more decorative, cosmetically appealing. So the water coming down now is not going to just kind of wick under right here and follow the metal path of least resistance. It'll come down onto here and it has nowhere to go but off. It's not going to go back uphill on the metal. Just kind of diverts it out, keeps more away from that crucial area. What they should have done when they flashed this, when they laced this bottom here, either the aluminum metal or the valley roll, something should have come out just a little further on top of this shingle here. Now I'm not going to try to get a nail under there, and I'm definitely not going to face nail it. So to hold this in, we're just going to use some GSL 4500. Pretty good stuff. Works in good all weather conditions, even in water. Just get a little spot under there. Get a little one up under here so it doesn't rotate down and out. I'll leave a link where you can get this on Amazon in the description, because your box stores are not going to have GSL. It's a really good product. It's a little pricier, but it's going to hold up. It won't deteriorate your shingles. You can use it in all kinds of roof stuff. So that's it. That's all we're after. Got the piece of flashing added that was missed originally, and a little bit of a kick out. If you liked the video and the how-to and the instruction behind it and the theory or the why, what I'm doing, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, thank you. We appreciate it. Time to set a new goal. Let's say, how far should we go? 5,000 or 10,000? I want to hit 10,000 before the end of 2021. So let's say by my birthday, good celebration party in May, mid-May, May 20th, typically race weekend. Let's hit 5,000 subs by then. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button and a thumbs up. Drop me a comment below. I'll do my best to answer you back. With this Grand Roofing Inc. YouTube channel, taking lemons and turning them into lemonade. Yeah, no, that's cheesy. Lessons learned from people's mistakes. There we go. I get a lot of comments of people hating, well, why do you point out so much bad? well, I'm not necessarily saying the bad that people did, but what they should have done or what you can do to avoid those mistakes. Until next time, be safe and see you then.